Friends, welcome to the Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 10. Today's rubric is awkwardness. What is meant by awkwardness? Awkwardness is difficult to deal with a feeling of embarrassment or lack of social favor, skill, or kindness, or lacking grace and skill, or lacking grace or easy in movement. This is awkwardness. हिंदी मीनिंग इज निपटने में मुश्किल. मराठी मीनिंग अडखळत, अकुशलता, वागण्यातील संबंधित गोंधळाची भावना, औचित्याची जाणीव अथवा कौशल्य यांचा अभाव असणे. दिस इज मराठी मीनिंग. देन व्हॉट आर द रेमेडीज फॉर awkwardness? First is capsicum, then ignitia, agaricus, apis, camphor, natramcar, naxomica, sabadina. So these are the remedies. Now we'll see some of the differentiating remedies. A capsicum has awkwardness in children. The awkwardness strikes strikes against the things or drops the things due to awkwardness. In capsicum, in agaricus, especially awkwardness in the evening. In awkwardness, there is a dropping of things. Then apis mellifica, the patient drops the things, and in awkwardness, patient is very hasty. This is apis. Then Briata card. Briata card, awkwardness, drop the things with bashfulness from. This is Briata card. Then Calcarea card. In Calcarea card, there is bashfulness, drop the things from the hand, or drop the things during pregnancy, or strikes against the things. This is Calcarea. Then Carbovage. In Carbovage, there is also bashfulness and awkwardness, especially in the people who works tailoring, dressmaking, or embroidery in. This is Carbovage. Then Naxomica. In Naxomica, there is awkwardness with bashfulness from, or drops the things, or strikes against the things. Awkwardness in tailorings, dressmakers, embroidery, in, or awkwardness working while. This is Naxomica. Then Natrum silicata, there is awkwardness working while, or the patient strikes against the things while doing. This is Natrum silicata. Then petroleum. Petroleum has also got the awkwardness in people of tailoring, dressmaking, or embroidery in. This is petroleum. So these are some of the remedies of awkwardness. Now we'll see the cross references of awkwardness. The first cross reference is answer aversion to sing, talk, but will not answer question. This is first cross reference. Answering means say or write something as a reaction to someone or something. This is answer. Then childish behavior. Childish behavior means behavior of mature person is like a child, or there is a lack of maturity. This is second cross reference. Then delusion. Delusion, walking, cannot walk, he run, or who must. Delusion means imagination, misleading opinion, or idea or false belief, or there is an erroneous belief that is held in the face of evidence to the contrary. This is delusion. Then third cross reference, elegance want of. What is meant by elegance? Elegance means gracefulness, attractive and showing good some of the style, lack of, or graceful and attractive in appearance or behavior. This is elegance. Then foolish behavior. Foolish behavior means lacking in sense or intelligence, so senseless as to laughable, or silly behavior or ridiculous silly behavior. This is foolish behavior. Then gestures mix. The gesture mix means the act of moving a limb of body to express thought and feeling, or movement of the body, head, arms, or face that is expressive of an idea, emotion, or opinion, etc. This is gestures. Then jesting aversion to. What is meant by jesting? Jesting means to say things that are not serious or true, especially to make someone laugh, fun, or spoken in jest. This is jesting. Then laughing constant. Laughing means showing mirth or showing happiness or a state of expression of emotions with an audible vocal explosion of air from the lungs. This is laughing. Then next cross reference is laughing immoderately. Immoderately means excessively. Then laughing serious matter over. Then laughing silly. Then laughing trifle sad. Then next cross reference is loquacity answers to answer no questions to. What is meant by loquacity? Loquacity is excessive talkativeness or unrestricted speech or talking. This is loquacity. The next is mirth, foolish. What is meant by mirth? Mirth is a joy, fun, or it is an excessive feeling of happiness which may not be found in the normal person, or pleasurable feeling, enjoyment, gratification, happiness. So this is myth. The next cross reference, runs about. Runs means a mental condition when one's desire to run away. The next cross reference, runs about, things run against. The next, throwing things around, persons at. Next cross reference, extremities awkwardness. And last cross reference is generalities awkwardness. So these are all the cross references of awkwardness. Now we will see the miasm of awkwardness. The miasm is syphilitic miasm. Then what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of awkwardness? First is drug addiction. Second is personality trait. Third is psychotic disorder. Fourth, adjustment disorder. Fifth, sexual disorder. And sixth is certain personality disorder. So friends, this is all about awkwardness. If you like this series or channel, please subscribe, share with your friends. We will meet in the next episode with a new rubric. Till then, thank you.